Is Field Agent legit, or is it another app that promises easy money but isn't worth your time? In this video, we'll look at how Field Agent works, how you can earn, how you get paid, and whether it's worth trying in 2026. Field Agent is a legitimate app that pays users to complete small tasks in the real world. Instead of only answering surveys from home, Field Agent gives you assignments that usually involve visiting stores or businesses and collecting information. For example, a task might ask you to check the price of a product, take photos of a display, verify whether an item is available, or answer questions about what you see inside a store. You can browse the available jobs directly in the app and see the payment before deciding whether you want to accept one. This is important because you can choose the assignments that make sense for you. However, the number of available jobs depends heavily on your location. If you live in a large city, you may see more opportunities than someone living in a smaller area. And some assignments can disappear quickly because other agents accept them first. Once you accept a job, you'll receive instructions explaining exactly what information you need to collect. Follow those instructions carefully. You may need to take specific photos, answer questions, scan information, or visit a particular location. After submitting the assignment, Field Agent reviews the work. If everything meets the requirements, the payment is added to your account. Now let's talk about getting paid. Field Agent says agents can cash out their earnings through the payment methods available in the app, including options such as PayPal. The exact payment options and requirements can vary depending on your location and account. One thing to understand is that you're not getting paid simply for downloading the app or checking available jobs. You have to complete an assignment correctly before receiving the advertised payment. So, how much can you make? This depends on how many jobs are available near you, how quickly you can complete them, and how much you're willing to travel. A small task might only take a few minutes, while another assignment could require a trip to a store and more detailed work. That's why you should always compare the payment with the time, transportation, and effort required. If you have to drive across town for a small payment, the job may not be worth it. But if you're already going to that store or area, the same assignment could be a convenient way to earn some extra money. You should also remember that completing a task doesn't guarantee that every submission will be approved. The instructions matter, so read them carefully and make sure your photos and answers meet the requirements before submitting. So, is Field Agent legit or a scam? My verdict is legit. Field Agent is a real platform built around paid, real-world assignments, and eligible users can earn money by completing those tasks. However, it's not a guaranteed source of income. Your earning potential depends mostly on where you live and how many assignments are available. If you want to try it, download the official Field Agent app, check the jobs available in your area, and start with simple assignments before deciding how much time you want to invest. Overall, Field Agent can be worth trying if you like flexible side gigs and don't mind completing tasks in physical stores. Just remember to consider the payment, travel time, and requirements before accepting each job. And that's the verdict. Field Agent is legit in 2026, but think of it as a side income app, not a replacement for a regular job.